Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you an easy eyelash and eyebrow growth oil. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll get a bowl and come in with about a tablespoonful of rosemary oil. If you don't know how to make rosemary oil, I have the link in the description box. You can check it out. Next, I'll come in with a tablespoonful of castor oil. Go ahead and give it a good mix. After which, I'll transfer it into a small container. Now, this is how I use it. I use it with an eyebrow brush. Before I go to bed, I'll just dip the brush into the oil and brush my eyebrows with it. I also use it on my eyelashes as well. This will help thicken and prevent hair loss in those areas. So basically, after your skincare for the night, you just brush your eyebrows and eyelashes with this oil. This should be done at least 3 times in a week. So this is it, and I hope I did help you. I hope you're going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.